Is your Logitech G435 headset giving you the silent treatment? Let's bring the sound back. First, right-click the sound icon in your system tray, then select Open Sound Settings. In the sound settings, make sure your G435 headset is selected as the default playback device. If it's not, click the drop-down menu and choose it. Next, we're diving into Device Manager. Right-click the Windows Start button and select Device Manager. Expand the Sound, Video and Game Controllers section. Find your Logitech G435 headset. Right-click it, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Let Windows find and install any updated drivers for your headset. Open the Logitech G HUB software. Ensure your G435 headset is selected. Check for any firmware updates and install them if available. Also in G HUB, double-check that your headset volume isn't muted or set to low. Adjust the volume slider to a comfortable level. Restart your computer. This helps finalize any driver or software changes. Now, test your headset. You should be hearing sound again.